Good day, all pet matters. Today it's one day before Christmas, so we're going to put Christmas clothes to our baby boy, okay, our little boy. So he have an attire for tomorrow. He just took bath, so he's ready to wear the attire for tomorrow. So let's get started. So this is his clothes for tomorrow. Okay, there is a short here. So we put on the short first. Come on, baby boy. It's a little boy. Okay. He's wearing shorts already. Okay, come on. Put on the, here. Adjustments here. Some adjustments here. So this is the back, like that. It's like a jumper, it's short. So now we're going to put on this scarf. Come on. Huh? See? Come on, baby. This is his attire for Christmas. Christmas 2024. I hope you enjoy Christmas also this year with your loving dogs. They give us unconditional love, and in return we should love them also. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and Merry Christmas! See you again! Bye bye!